So this gingerbread girl, woman, I made them too, and I sew it up. So the white color is not going to be messy at the back. Yeah, I'm making the woman first. Look how thin it looks like. So I put two. I make it two, so I sew it together. We're going to make 12 magic ring. This one is single crochet like that, but I'm going to do is double crochet. This is single one, so double crochet means 3 chain there, and that's a double crochet. So you're going to make 12. You're making the woman first, huh? Make sure you have the tail of the thread hanging out. Okay, now to slip chain. Oh, I can hear plane, or I hope it does not. And 3 chain on the same hole. You do double crochet there. Next one also 2 on the same, so that's increase, huh? It's a double crochet, also increase, so it will be 2 there. Then 3 chain, see. We're going to do 2 chain, no, 2. Okay, now do slip chain on that. Yeah, and then do 4 chain, treble crochet. Don't do all yet. We're going to pull all together there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do slip chain, and do slip chain all the way to the other side. Yes, now do 2 chain, do slip chain on that circle, and then do 4 chain, and treble crochet. Don't pull the whole thing out yet. another one, then all out, yes, then 4 chain, and then do a slip chain 1, 2, 3 chain, and we do treble crochet on the same. There's 2 already. Now go for the next one, treble crochet. There's single only, one only, and 1 and 1, 1, and here will be 3 treble crochet and double crochet. Not done yet. There. Now we're going to look, the next step is, it's a single crochet there. Just do single crochet, no increase, no nothing, same only. Okay, now do slip chain 2, then 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Don't do all yet, and now pull all out. 1, 2, 3 slip chain, and 1 more slip chain, and 3 chain there. Don't pull all out. Next one, don't pull, now all out. 3 chain and a slip chain there, and the curved one is done. Now you just have to stick them together, sew it up, that one and this one together. So when you sew your white thread or any other color thread, pink or white, I put it only white. You can put different colors like that. See, I only put it white. I sew them up. Look, and there's one there out, so just hide it them in. Like that. See, so it looks a bit chubby, a bit, yeah. Now you can sew the eyes the ears, not ear. Now we are doing the man. It is almost the same. Halfway, I'll show you. Almost the same, but slightly different from the woman. Here's the different part. The woman one we put 3 increase, isn't it? The man one only 1 increase. Here treble clef, the double crochet. There, 1, 2, there. So here 1, 1, 1, and then here will be 2. There. 7. Okay. Next one. Next line will be 4 chain and treble crochet. Next, don't finish all yet, like that. Yeah. Now all. And slip chain, 1 more slip chain, then 4 treble crochet. Don't finish all. Now all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip chain. Done. Don't mind the holes, because when you do another one more, you're going to sew it together, so it will be all covered up. And when you sew with the white color thread or any other color, you can sew them together. It won't be, you won't see holes. There, that's the man. These are some of my works